Yes, sir, ski. Dog in that bit. Is it? Same color your shirt. Damn. Oh, shit. Got the weed. Man, damn. Can't even talk. Got the whips out and shit. You feel me? Yeah, black. Scat motherfucker. Marrow. Hit me motherfucker. Marrow motherfucker. Another marrow motherfucker. Hit me motherfucker. Scat. 5-0 motherfucker. Ducked off in the back. Scatty. Scat. 5-0 motherfucker. So y'all got I'll see you line up though. Y'all niggas stay tuned though. 2 more just pulled up. If you hear me. Yes sir. Hell yeah, can you know that brand number? I told you I got to time that bit. Tell me. God. TJ, I do that shit, bro. Damn, y'all got the Mara talking shit. Mara talking shit. I told you I'd teach you all the sauce about that bit. That nigga shit like that. They got the motherfuckers on. I'm gonna go. Hold up, y'all stay tuned. He talking about don't fall that shit. He talking. 5-0. Scat motherfucker. You talking I need guys. Y'all hear that scat? Y'all hear that scat? Put that seatbelt on, y'all already know it. But I'm sorry if the camera a little shaky, but my adrenaline is pumping like crazy. But y'all stay tuned. Get y'all guys POV footage of this chaos. Damn, I was just revving, bro. I could have got that on cam. That motherfucker shot him. Yo, he's swinging that bit. Marrow in the chat. Good. Y'all hear that motherfucker? Oh my god, nigga, I thought he was finna tap that bit. I thought he was finna tap that bit. I ain't even gonna hold you, boy. I thought he was gonna tap that bit, Marrow Gang. Y'all see it. Marrow Gang, G over that bit. 5-0 nigga over there. And they got down killed in the back. I don't know who them folks are though. Hell y'all. Tight shit, y'all stay tuned. 5-0 motherfucker. Oh, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, shit feel good. He finna pull a Mustang stand. God damn. Oh shit. Y'all shit. Y'all shit. Y'all shit. I'm just letting Bill speak for itself while I drink my slush. Ma'am. That. Oh. Yeah. And we're back. We're back in the chat. Y'all know what I'm saying? Yeah, see, we got these motherfuckers out, bro. We outside, small town. Success. Everybody very success. The owner just said we cool, we could park here. You know what I'm saying? It's a good move, but hopefully we can drive to the city, because if we do, yeah, shit gonna be lit. You know what I'm saying? All set. Pull out, ride through the city. You feel me? And ride through the city. You feel me? There goes that for chatting in my slushy. My slushy. I see that. Y'all hit them holes though? Holy shit, damn, y'all can even see now. Damn, my bad, I'm gonna pick her back up. Y'all see them boys though? Damn, that one. Damn, y'all can't really see because of the blind spot. But one over, damn, but yeah, y'all really can't see because of the blind spot. Marrow. Damn. forward with my fist. Oh, that motherfucker my fist, bro. I hope y'all can see, Chad. I can't lock. I gotta lock here. I hope y'all got some good food. I'm gonna pick y'all back up. It's hard. This is crazy. This is insane. If y'all still watching, comment your dream car or a car you just want. That nigga drove that Camaro see it. Damn, bright ass light. Y'all can't see nothing. Bright ass light. That's it. Camaro motherfucker.